Hi, I'm Klaus Lauter from Integrate Immigration, and as always, thanks for joining me on our monthly podcast. As promised this month, I'm going to give you the inside track to a successful immigration to South Africa as we go through my top 10 immigration tips. Number 1. Be patient and plan for delays. While the South African Department of Home Affairs has improved in many areas, delays are common. The official website states temporary residency permits will be approved in 30 days and often quoted the time frame for permanent residency as 6 months. Currently, it is nearer 2 to 3 months for temporary and 2 years for permanent applications to be processed. So applications need to be made in plenty of time and expect delays. Number 2. Do your research on your selected immigration company. Only deal with registered immigration practitioners and lawyers. Dealing with anyone else can put your application in jeopardy, and there is little in the way of accountability. As with most countries, the immigration industry contains rogue elements. In particular, be on the lookout for unregistered companies, inexperienced startup claiming to have years of experience, and introducer sites. One way of establishing whether the company is registered and if it has been in business as long as they claim is to ask for a copy of their registration papers. This will give you the date the company was registered, as well as confirming they are a legal company. Introducer sites are common. They are basically websites owned by non-immigration companies whereby the owner of the website is paid a commission for providing a lead. This can add to your cost, and also the immigration given is not supplied by a registered immigration practitioner. Pick a company who has sufficient resources, staff levels, and history to ensure they are able to follow up and sustain this throughout the entire process. It can take sometimes up to 2 years for permanent residency to be received. Number 3. Get medical insurance. In South Africa, this is a must. Number 4. Always try and submit your permit application abroad. South African immigration rules are changing, and the new rules specify that an application may not make an application in South Africa that changes their status. In layman terms, this means a foreigner cannot enter South Africa on a tourist visa and then apply for, say, a work or business permit. Whilst these new rules are not entirely functional, they may be invoked any day, and the Department of Home Affairs is notorious for giving no prior warning notice when implementing changes. Number 5. Do your homework. The biggest reason for an unsuccessful immigration is the failure of the family to settle into their new environment. Areas need exploring, schools selected, and amenities matched to your requirements. The internet offers some great research opportunities, and also a few immigration companies, such as ourselves, offer relocation support and advice as well as a property consultant. Number 6. Get organized. Compiling a visa or permit applications means supplying lots of documentary evidence. Check you have all your paperwork and it is up to date. This includes items such as birth certificates, marriage certificates, passport, etc. Number 7. Get your finances in order. Try and set up banking in South Africa before you arrive. Again, we can help with this. Make sure your bank and credit card providers in your home country are aware that you are moving to South Africa, so they do not prevent you accessing funds. Ensure you have internet banking and have left sufficient funds for any direct debits or standing orders that might be continuing. In addition, you need to ensure you have told the relevant tax authorities of your move. Number 8. Find a good money transfer company. South Africa has exchange control in place, something that most immigrants will not have come across before. It controls the flow of money into and out of South Africa and can affect your ability to repatriate funds. In addition, companies such as Encompass can save you significant amounts on your money transfers. Number 9. Read your relocation report. The better immigration companies will supply you with a detailed immigration report covering the many areas that will affect you during your move. The information in a relocation report is invaluable in assisting you and preventing mistakes. Number 10. Do not assume or be afraid to ask. South Africa offers a first world infrastructure, but there are many things which will be different to your home country. No matter how small the question may be, always check. Again, top immigration companies will have in-house resources to guide you through areas such as tax, medical insurance, finding a property, transferring money, etc., etc. So there we have it, my top 10 immigration tips for South Africa. By no means does this cover all eventualities, but it gives you a good start. Remember, nothing substitutes expert advice, so please feel free to contact us for your free and non-obligatory consultation. Just type Integrate Immigration into your search engine and you will see we are easy to find. Also check out our new instant callback. Simply enter your phone number and we'll ring you back instantly and no cost to you. On our site you also find all the social media links and a newsletter subscription, all handy things for keeping you to date. As always, a big thank you to the regular followers of our podcast. We thank you for joining us again this month. For those newcomers, welcome, and we hope to see you becoming a regular. We look forward to seeing you online and at our next podcast, when we are going to talk you through the process of buying a property in South Africa and how a buyer's consultant can help you.